Fax single or multi-page documents from the printer control panel. Load a multi-page document face up in the document feeder or a single-page document face down on the scanner glass using the guides for correct placement. On the home screen of the printer control panel, touch Fax and then Send Now. If desired, touch the settings icon to adjust fax settings. Enter the recipient fax number or touch the phone book icon and then local phone book or call history. Touch the checkbox next to the contact name or fax number for each recipient and then touch Select. Touch Send to scan the original document and send the fax.